Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the sheet and selecting the relevant range so Excel searches only where you need it. This reduces false matches. Once done, press Ctrl+F or choose Home Find and select to open the dialog. Make sure to set within to Sheet or Workbook depending on scope, and choose Match Case or Match Entire Cell when exactness matters. These first steps get you directly into actionable search settings and explain why limiting scope saves time and avoids noise. Now refine how Excel interprets your query so you find the right items. Click Options and pick rows or columns depending on layout and choose in formulas, values, or comments to match where the content resides. Use wildcards, asterisk for any string, question mark for one character, and tilde to escape special characters to broaden or target matches. Then press Find All to get a result list. Clicking an entry takes you straight to the cell, which helps you verify context before editing. Finish by performing actions or fixing issues based on what you found. Use Replace when you need batch edits. Always preview with Find Next before Replace All so you avoid unwanted changes. If you need structural searches, use Go to Special to target formulas, constants, blanks, or conditional formats. If things go wrong, check for hidden rows, active filters, or mismatched data types. These often prevent matches. Once corrected, rerun Find with the same options to confirm you captured every needed cell.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.